So friends, let's start with today's recipe of Kalakand. It's a super simple and easy recipe. So here I've taken 1 liter of milk and now I'm going to bring this to a gentle boil. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and I'm going to split the milk. Basically we're making paneer or cottage cheese. So once the milk splits, just cook it for about a minute. It will curdle up like this. And after a minute, just switch off the heat. And now we're going to strain this mixture over a muslin cloth. So I've just kept a sieve on top of a vessel and put this muslin cloth on top of it. And now we're just going to tie this up like this, squeeze out all the excess water, and then just put a heavy weight on it and keep it aside for 30 minutes till all the liquid drains out. Now I've taken half a liter of milk and I'm going to boil it till it reduces to half. Once it reduces to half its quantity, I'm going to add some elaichi powder, about 1 teaspoon, and some saffron strands. Now this saffron strands, I'm also going to add half a cup of sugar. Now the saffron strands have to be added if you want that lovely saffron color. If you want to retain the white color of your kalakanda, then skip the saffron. Now we're just going to stir this till it all comes together. Now after 30 minutes the paneer or the cottage cheese has formed, so I'm just going to transfer it to a bowl and now I'm going to just crumble it with my fingers like this. Now I'm going to add this to my mixture, the milk mixture which has reduced to half, and now we're just going to stir all of this till it thickens up and it starts to leave the sides of the vessel. So I timed myself, it took me exactly 15 minutes on a low to medium flame. Don't keep your milk on a high flame because then you'll get this typical burnt milk smell. And continuously stir it. Use a wooden spoon with a long handle because that way, it becomes easier. The spoon doesn't heat up. So now you'll see it has started to thicken. And then it all comes together like this. So now our mixture is ready. Here I have some nuts which I've chopped up roughly, and I've also just greased my tray, which is about a inch thickness. This is a 6 by 6 tray with just 1 inch thickness. And now I'm just going to transfer this mixture onto the tray. And I'm just going to even it out. Now I want it to be exactly 1 inch thickness. That's why I'm only, thickening it up to that much, or just smoothening it up to that part. Now I just added a few drops of ghee. And now I'm just going to sprinkle the chopped nuts on top. And now I'm going to refrigerate this for 1 hour. You can refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours also. It sets really very fast. And it's all ready. Now all we have to do is just cut it up into squares and serve it. This is a very delicious dessert and it's super simple to make also. All you need is some, basically Basundi kind of a mixture as well as some paneer. So now I'm just going to cut it up like this. It is a little bit crumbly, just slightly crumbly, but that's okay. That's the texture of the kalakanda. But it has set. And you can see, you can easily cut up slices like this. So do try out this recipe, guys, and let me know how you like it. I'll catch you in my next recipe. See you. Take care. Bye.
I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.